Okay, so I'm making a quick video because I got a question from a guy a couple days ago just about my headlights and all my kind of configuration. So it's really windy. I'm thinking about getting a new camera, which will be cool. So yeah, tax write-off. So these are this whole setup right here is auxbeam, my highs and lows. These ones are JDM All-Star or something stars. They're switchbacks. And you can kind of see right there. They're pretty nice. And these are crazy lights I've had. I've had these lights, these bulbs, driving lights, since 2013. And they're kind of like, they're great, but they're kind of like not as bright as they used to be, obviously. But they are Go Recon lights. They're 3150s, 3157s. I can't remember. That's what these both are. Either way, but I'll turn all this on in just a minute. And then these are my lasfit switchbacks. You can see it there. But that's what those are. So they're pretty nice. And then this is just the Amazon 32-inch light bar. And I'll put all this down below on how to get and links to get them. But yeah, just Amazon. I can't remember the brand. I did a video on it, but yeah, that's the one you need to look at. And yeah, so let me turn them all on real fast. So here's the driving lights. So that's what they look like during the day. They're pretty bright, you know. Not gonna complain. Ugh. And there's my auxbeam lights and my switchbacks. That's them right there. And these are also my fleece all light mod, all lights on, whatever thing I got, my little chip. So it has everything, so you can have your fogs, your lows, highs, and everything on. There's both the highs and the lows. You can kind of see that's way brighter than that. And then the switchbacks, fog lights. So there's those. Those are yellow right now. And then whites. So there's that. And light bar and everything. Lights up the whole road. It's pretty nice. Put a link down below. Thinking about making these videos just to kind of show you updates on how you guys want. If you have any questions, let me know, or videos you want to see about my truck, and I can show you how it is and the updates after installing it.